Hello and welcome to another video. It's another Brattonsound gun cabinet, gun safe. This time around this is the Sentinel Plus ST7 Plus. And a very quick word about us before we get into the nitty-gritty of this gun cabinet. We are London and Home County Safes. That's our website, londonsafes.co.uk. Check us out online. And with us we do free delivery and free installation on all of these cabinets for you. We work in a roughly 90-mile radius around our base, which is our headquarters, which is in Hatfield, Hertfordshire, and it will be professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who'll arrive in an unmarked van so your neighbours won't know what's going on. And thank you for listening. So let's start off with the dimensions. So this unit is 1308 millimeters high by 407 millimeters wide by 271 millimeters deep. Quite heavy for a gun safe. This particular one weighs in at 40 kilograms and is designed for storing 6 to 7 guns. I think you could probably get more than that in there, but we'll have a look at that in a sec. So it's operated with a single key, which is a multi-point locking system, so it locks in several places down the side. We'll open it up, 2 keys are supplied, double throw. That's opened it up, and if we look at the edge you can see those bolts 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So I've now projected those bolts out so you can see what they look like. All steel construction, powder coated, very robust. So looking inside, we've got the foam divider for 7 guns, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it's quite a deep cabinet. That's why I was saying I think you could probably get more than 7 guns in there. So I've popped our air rifle in there just so that you can see. If you look down where the butt is making contact with the ground, I think if you at a push, if you really did need to get 8 or 9 guns and you had your 7 guns all in this orientation, you could probably get another 2 here. You probably have to push the butt all the way up out of the way to the rear wall of the safe, but I think you'd get another 2 in there. I can't be sure, that's my opinion, because I haven't got that many guns to try, but you can make your own mind up on that. So installation and fixing wise, the cabinet has got 2 fixing holes at the base in the rear there, as you see, and as we move up there are 2 more at the top, and you've got this sponge protective base for the butt of your firearm, which I'll remove now. And taking it out, you can see there's 2 further fixing holes in the base there. So looking at the inside of the door, we see this label from Brattonsound Engineering, established in the UK in 1982. Built and independently tested to BS 7558 1992 revision, and they say the only way to guarantee police acceptance. So yes, that almost certainly is true. However, I always say that you should check with your individual firearms officer just to make sure that they're happy with this particular cabinet or the cabinet of your choice. There is a little bit of individuality between officers. Some are more stringent than others, but you should always check. It depends what area you're in and if there's a higher risk and stuff like that. Okay, so that's that. So if we are fortunate enough to have your business and you do decide to buy this cabinet, when you check out you'll see some options for accessories. One is a flame retardant wallet, which really is for our safes, to be honest, so that's probably not relevant. But some people do use these cabinets as safes as well. But they aren't technically insurance rated for storing valuables, and nonetheless they are very strong. Anyway, so the 2 things that were relevant out of the list would be the automatic light, which is a PIR operated LED light, battery operated, uses 3 AAA cells and it has a magnet on it. I'll show you that in operation. And this dehumidifier for cabinets and safes, and as you can see it's in a gun cabinet here. Let's just talk about that. That's a humidity absorber that's reusable and has an humidity indicator. I mean, this one's not activated because it's still sealed, but they work really well. And the light, as you can see, got a magnet. You just put it on there. It's now stuck and it's illuminated now because it doesn't know that it's ready to be used yet. So we'll shut the door. Oh, that's gone out now. So door shut and lights off. And if I can find the key, we open the cabinet like so, and the light pops on, as you can see there, to illuminate the contents. So in summary, that's the Brattonsound Sentinel Plus ST7 Plus. I don't know why there's two pluses in the model name, but there is. And that is supplied and installed by us, London and Home County Safes. We really install them properly. We know what we're doing. We've been doing it for a long time. londonsafes.co.uk. Thank you for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.